some hot stickers. Lube me.
What?
Sugoi! Oh, what's this? We got the box.
Oh!
Let's open this up. See what's inside.
Yes!
Box from Rockland. Oh shit! This is a good way of packaging it.
Wow!
Place sideways, diagonally. That's a smart way of packaging. I would have just like put it down flat. You know what I mean? So back to this. There's a lot of wrap.
Hmm?
Very good packaging. What is this? Oh my god! I got candy! I got candy! Focus. Bueno! Crispy wafer with creamy nut filling and milk chocolate.
Yummy.
I'm gonna save it for later. Are they melted? I wouldn't be surprised if they were. I'm surprised she sent candy. Chocolate candy. Because I would have thought it would melt it too. Is that candy from Rockalini? Yes! Bueno. I got other stuff. What is this? Get a sticker. Whoa! Oh my god!
Wow!
She gave me stickers. Some hot stickers. Lube me.
What?
Sugoi! Oh, what's this one? Oh, it's cute. Low grabber. Lighty stuff. Boing part. Oh, that's so cute. Whoa! Oh, this is sick! Whoa, look at his eyes. They're reflective. Oh. Oh my god, I love this one. There's something else here. I think it's an eyebrow plucker. I think she's trying to say something. That's for your keyboard to remove the caps. Daisy, are you sure? This looks like it has multi-use. Alright. Time for the reveal. How do you open this box? It's beautiful. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Rockalina, for building it. We'll be short. Our wonderful friend, Rockalina from Seattle
Yes!
built this for me. I mean, she does commission, so it's not really like I was special or anything, but I appreciate it so much. Bracalina, thank you, our friend from Seattle. It smells like Seattle. It tastes like Seattle. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. I gotta test it out. We gotta put it to the limit. It's gotta handle an Astro stream. Anything could happen. I mean, I might need to use it for like something like like a guitar solo. Dude, this feels fantastic. This feels fantastic to do a guitar solo on. Holy shit. If you guys didn't see it, it's One Piece themed. One Piece themed. That's right. One Piece themed. Let's go! Okay, one more thing before we plug it in that I think Bracalina would really appreciate, and most of the rest of the chat, is a sexy photo shoot.
Oh!
Alright, let's test this bad boy, yeah? Let's plug it in. Alright. So we can finally get rid of this piece of shit. We can finally get rid of this piece of shit. Yeet! Now it's up to this one. Take over. And suffer along. Let's plug it in. Holy! Yo, it's beautiful. Holy shit. Yo, I didn't know the lights were like this. It's actually so cool. Let's do another test. Let's see how it does with Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. Anyways, let's do a real tech test. 1 minute medium text. What was it? 95 words per minute. Is that good? 95 words per minute. It's good. Love the mechanical sound. It doesn't have a very what's it called? What do you call it? An enthusiast kind of sound. There's a lot of better sounding ones. I wanted one that was a lot more quiet. Didn't make a lot of sound, so you wouldn't hear me typing. Would make loud noises while typing while streaming, so you wouldn't hear it. And it is pretty quiet. I like it. That's how I wanted it to be. Thank you, Rocklina, again. Shout her out. You guys should check it out if you haven't yet. She's awesome.